paying attention to that Iowa poll.
It shows Trump up, or excuse me, Harris up in a state that has been trending steadily to the right over the last couple of years. And honestly, it's a plausible result. It's an outlier. It's the first one that's shown Harris with a lead in Iowa. But Iowa is not as red as it looks. It is a more moderate Republican state. Obama won it in 2012, and it's really only during the Trump era that you've seen the rural parts of Iowa flip strong.
So, guys, the financial market is watching everything right now, especially the bonds people, because I think the way the bond people work is like if the economy does very well, let's say the economy exceed expectations and everybody has a lot of confidence, they want to invest, they want to go to more high risk asset. What happen is that they're gonna like sell the bonds, so there's not gonna be a lot of purchase of bonds, and which means that the price of the bonds gonna go down. So when the price of the bond goes down, that automatically make the interest rate of the bond going up. So basically, you will be able to get a bond at a lower price with a higher interest rate. That's basically what happened when the economy, when there's a belief in the market that the economy is going to do well, and people might well be more in tune to go to the stock market instead of like the treasury, because the treasury interest rate is very low, compared to the stock market. The stock market is where you make the real money, the billions. But the treasury is just like it's passive. It's passive income. It's very quiet and it's nice, but it's not for like the young man that's aggressive in Wall Street. So.
Particularly strong in that poll was with women. Iowa passed one of the more restrictive abortion laws in the country with a 6-week ban on abortion access. And there's been the subject of a endless flood of ads in the state over the last several weeks. So the idea that this could have shifted in Harris's way over the course of this campaign, where Donald Trump's on the ballot now for a third time, and some Americans are clearly tired of this guy, is actually totally plausible and a very bad sign for the Trump campaign.
At the same time,
I think that's what's going on. Like, I hate to say that, to tell that to Trump. I don't think Trump should have won again. I think he should have get somebody to run for him, and I think it could have been Vivek. I really believe that. I truly believe that. But he has too much of an ego. He has too much of an ego. He's never going to do something like that. I think he should have just picked Vivek to run for him. Let's support Vivek, and everybody would have voted for Vivek because Vivek's message would have been less controversial. And Vivek is a very eloquent guy, and definitely will be able to knock down Kamala Harris, but he didn't want to do that because of his ego.